girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Persian rugs, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm partying. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Asteria hair, It's been a little while since I worked with Asteria hair, but it's always a pleasure. I love working with them. So today they sent me over this beautiful curly unit. I would say this is more of like a deep wave texture, and it's very full, as you guys can see. I believe this is about 250% density, so it is really full, and this is with everything up front. I showed you guys what the unit looks like when it's wet. And this is a 5x5 closure unit. I love closure units, and I love the fact that this was actually a glueless install. I didn't need to use any product to install this unit today. It also comes with a pre-plucked hairline. The lace in this unit isn't cut, but I actually prefer that because you can just cut it to your liking. And a lot of times when you have like those pre-cut lace units, I feel like you can still see the lace even with like the scallop edge. So I like the fact that they did keep the lace on here, and I just used a razor to just shave that part off. You do get a ton of parting space as well. It looks very natural, okay? And the knots are bleached on this unit, so you don't have to worry about bleaching the knots, plucking it. All of that is completely done for you. And you can even look at the lace and see that the knots are bleached on here. That's another thing that I really like. And I did put some makeup like on the lace area in the front just to help like blend in better, of course, especially because I do wear bronzer on my forehead, and I just want to make sure that everything blends in cohesively, and it definitely did. And I do currently have this unit in a 28 I love a good long curly unit, and this one, it just satisfied me to the T. This is definitely like one of my favorite types of looks for the summertime, and I understand that something like this may be a little bit hot for some people, but for me this is definitely my kind of vibe. I will say, because of the curl pattern, it is a tighter curl. You're definitely going to want to make sure that you're on top of the detangling and all of that, because this is a high maintenance unit, so you're going to make sure this is a high maintenance unit, so you're going to want to make sure that you're on top of the detangling process, especially combing from the very ends. I showed you guys actually that I was able to actually comb the ends out with this rat tail comb, and you guys see like this is a very like tight tooth comb. Also sprayed in some leave-in conditioner just to help like keep the curls moisturized, because when you have a unit like this, when it is a lot of hair, you want to make sure that it is moisturized, you know what I mean, because the ends are typically the parts of the hair that get like dry and brittle. So just putting in a leave-in conditioner helps everything stay nice and healthy, and this just looks so beautiful. It is a bit much when you have all of it up front, so I'm gonna put some of it to the back and just have a portion of it up front. Like I said, this is 250% density, but like just like this, it's like perfectly fine, and then the rest of the hair is like back here, so it looks great. This does come with the invisible HD lace, which you guys saw. This lace melts like butter. This is like one of my favorite units right now. I definitely see this being like my new everyday get up, because it's so quick and easy to just put on. Like I said, it is glueless, so you can just like take it off and just like put it right back down, and it just fits so snug and perfect. I love the fit to this unit, because a lot of times units don't really fit me, but this one fits me perfectly, and I have like a small head, so I'm like really happy about that. But coming up close, you guys can see like how natural this looks. It's pre-plucked and everything to perfection. They did such a good job with it. And then as far as the parting space, it stops here and here, so you get all of that space all up in the front, and then of course a deep parting space that looks really good as well. It actually goes back further than this, so I'm going to show you guys. So it does go back further. If you need it to go back further, it can go back further. Yeah, and then if you wanted to, you can definitely wear this as like a side part. Like look how natural that looks. You can part it anywhere, and it just gives scalp like, okay, so you can do a side part if you're over the middle part, but I'm a middle part kind of girly, okay? And then it just dries down so pretty, but because of the hair being so full, like the dry and the wet kind of look the same. And the knots in this unit are really, really tiny. That's another reason why it looks so natural in the front, outside of the fact that of course it is HD lace, HD invisible lace, and it also has bleached knots, but it just still looks really natural because of how tiny the knots are on this unit. You don't see them, they're not like super noticeable. From the back, like where it hits on me, like I said, it's a 28 inch, and this is what it's giving. It's very full. Also, this is the perfect beginner friendly unit. It does come with 2 straps in the unit, so it has the adjustable straps in the back. Mine are currently crisscrossed, and then it also has the adjustable elastic band, the one that you can like hook in or you can take it out. It's optional. And with doing that and having both of those straps in the unit, it gives you such a snug fit, and I love that about this unit. On top of it just being like such a beautiful curl pattern, like I cannot stress that enough. And then if you wanted to, like, you can add, like, you can bleach this hair, you can have like highlights and lowlights later, you can like just bleach the bottom, you can actually change the whole color later if you wanted to. But this is something that I can see myself keeping for a really long time because it's really good quality hair, and it's not like overly processed. I feel like a lot of curly hair units these days are just overly processed, like they just did too much, and you can just tell. And it's also like dry, and you can tell like after a while, like it'll be a curl pattern and then it'll be like straight, like when you wear it for a long time. But something like this, I can tell like this is like the good quality curly hair that I've been like missing and needing in my life, and I just absolutely love it. Okay, I have no complaints whatsoever about this hair. But like I said, you just want to make sure that you're on top of the maintenance, because hair like this, you know, sometimes it'll get like matted like in the back of your head. So that's why it's so important to be on top of the maintenance. And because it is a glueless unit, you can like take it on and off. I wouldn't suggest like sleeping in this unit, and if you do, make sure you use a silk bonnet at night. But units like this, I don't like to sleep on them because it's just a lot of hair anyways, and I always just like take my units off at night and just like put them to the side depending on where I'm at and who I'm with. But yeah. So yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. Let me know how you guys feel about this unit. If you're interested in checking it out for yourself, I will have a link down below for you guys. Shout out to Asteria Hair for sponsoring today's video, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.